In this episode, I'm going to be screwing studs into the NOS pocket bike tires because we are deep into winter here. So my end goal is to be able to ride the bike on a frozen lake. I attempted a similar project in the past with my X7 Super pocket bike, except I used chains and I rode it on snow. It worked a little bit, but it definitely wasn't long term, so I'm excited to give studs a go this time. And the great thing about these wheels is that they're tubed tires, so drilling screws into them won't be a problem. Plus the rims on this bike actually split apart, so I won't be stuck struggling to get the tire on and off the rim, which can be a major hassle with these tiny pocket bike tires. So overall, the bike seems to be in good shape still. I also did cover up these vents on the motor with clear tape since there shouldn't be any risk of anything overheating out here. And this experience compared to the chains was just so much better because it's closest to riding on pavement. So I hope you guys can rate this video for me and check out the brand new Instagram page I just launched, Pocket Bike World.